To double space in a Google Docs document, simply select the text you want to double space. Now, if it's the entire document, you can just select the entire document by pressing Ctrl A for Windows users or Command A for Mac users. That's going to select the entire document, right? So now to double space, just go to this menu at the top here and then look for this option, line and paragraph spacing. Click on it and then you have the option to double. Now this is just going to double the current spacing that you have. So whether you have 1.15 or 1.5, whatever kind of spacing you have, selecting double will just automatically double it. All right. Now you can also get to this menu by going to format. So let me just select the text again. You can now go to format and then it should say line and paragraph spacing, and you have the same options here. So I'm just going to select double and you can see the spacing has been literally doubled for the entire document. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.